Hi, Group 3. Here are your words for your spelling test this week. Your first word is buy. I have to buy a present for the birthday party. Buy. Your next word is night. In the fairy tale, the knight rode into the castle. Night. The next word is find. Can you help me find my pencil? Find. Your next word is dye. On Saturday, I am going to the hair salon to dye my hair. Dye. Your next word is I'll. I'll help you do your homework. I'll. Your next word is time. When cooking the turkey, my mom sprinkles thyme on the food. Time. The next word is aisle. At the grocery store, cereal is in aisle 7. Aisle. Your next word is a surprise word. Your surprise word for this week is wear. I don't know what to wear tomorrow. Wear.